The ramp feature on your DS-6 Auto CPAP machine works by starting the pressure setting lower than the full therapy setting and then gradually increases the pressure over time. This enables you to get used to the pressures whilst falling asleep. Simply start by ensuring your machine is turned on. You will see the home menu with the blue My Options section with the cogwheel illuminated. Press the Enter key and this will take you through to the main menu page where ramp time will be highlighted in blue. Press the Enter key to take you through to the ramp time adjustment screen. Using a down or up arrow key to adjust your chosen ramp time, taking into consideration that the machine will start at the pressure of 4 centimetres of water to your minimum operating pressure setting. Once you have chosen your ramp time, press the Enter key and then your time is recorded and displayed on the main menu. To return to the home screen, press the up arrow key to highlight home and press the Enter key to return you to the home menu with the cogwheel. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please go to www.sorgenmedical.com.